The sky was calm and clear over Earth, but something huge was coming. Far beyond the stars, the strongest alien fleet in the galaxy was moving fast toward the blue planet. No one on Earth knew exactly what they wanted, but everyone was afraid. This fleet was known to crush entire worlds without mercy. The news spread quickly. Earth was about to face its biggest challenge. People watched the sky nervously. Satellites picked up strange signals, and military leaders prepared for war. The entire world held its breath. The aliens arrived in giant ships, shining cold and dark against the stars. Their weapons were powerful enough to destroy cities in seconds. The humans on Earth looked small and weak compared to these enormous war machines. But something strange happened. The aliens didn't attack right away. They hovered silently, waiting. Earth's defenses activated their shields, glowing bright around the planet. Scientists rushed to their labs, trying to understand the enemy and find a way to fight back. Despite the fear, hope grew quietly among the people. They had one secret, a new kind of technology, hidden from the universe until now. It was Earth's last chance. Suddenly, the alien fleet fired their first blast. The whole world watched in silence, expecting destruction. But instead of breaking, Earth's shield held strong. The blast bounced back, surprising everyone, even the aliens. What was this power that stopped the strongest fleet? And how far could humanity go to protect their home? The battle was only just beginning, and the fate of Earth hung in the balance. The alien fleet expected Earth to fall quickly. Their first attack had failed, and confusion spread among their commanders. They had never seen a planet resist so strongly. Earth's shield was unlike anything in their experience. Strong, bright, and full of energy. The aliens tried again, firing more weapons, but each blast was stopped or turned aside. On Earth, people watched with growing hope. Scientists worked day and night to understand the shield. It was not just a simple barrier. It was alive in a way, reacting to every attack and learning fast. The technology was built secretly using new energy sources discovered deep underground. Leaders shared encouraging words, reminding everyone that this fight was not lost. Small ships took to the skies, moving swiftly between the giant alien vessels. Unlike the huge enemy warships, these human fighters were fast and clever. They used smart tactics, avoiding direct fights and targeting weak points in the alien fleet. Pilots trained for years showed their skill, turning the tide slowly. The alien commanders were angry and frustrated. They sent messages demanding Earth surrender, but no answer came. Instead, Earth's defenders prepared for the next move. Something bigger was coming, and everyone felt it. What secret did Earth hide that could stop the strongest fleet? How far would humans go to protect their home? The battle was growing more intense, and the story was far from over. The next step could change everything. The air was thick with tension as the alien fleet struggled to understand Earth's unexpected strength. What once seemed like an easy conquest was turning into a long fight, but humans were not waiting quietly. After defending their home so fiercely, they were ready to take the battle forward. Small but fast ships flew out from Earth's orbit. These were no ordinary fighters. They were designed to move quickly, strike precisely, and disappear before the enemy could react. Pilots who had trained for years took control, their eyes steady, hearts full of determination. They knew the odds were against them, but they had something no alien fleet had: courage and smart tactics. These fighters darted between massive alien warships, avoiding their heavy weapons and aiming for weak spots. With every strike, the alien fleet felt the pressure grow. Confusion and fear began to spread among their ranks. The humans' attacks were not just strong, they were unexpected and clever. One pilot stood out among the rest. Flying with skill beyond his years, he became a symbol of hope for everyone on Earth. His daring moves inspired other pilots and gave new energy to the defenders. The alien commanders started to worry. This battle was not going the way they planned. Back on Earth, the people watched, holding their breath. News spread quickly about the bravery and success of the pilots. The world started to believe that victory was possible, but the aliens were not ready to give up. They had one last plan, a secret weapon they had kept hidden until now. It was a desperate move, but it could change everything. The fight for Earth was far from over. The next moments would decide the future for all living on this planet. The tension in space was thicker than ever. The alien commanders, seeing their fleet weakening, revealed their final hope, a massive, mysterious device unlike anything Earth had ever seen. This was their secret weapon, designed to end the battle in a single moment. It hovered near the edge of Earth's orbit, glowing with strange energy, ready to unleash power that could change everything. Back on Earth, scientists and leaders gathered urgently. They studied the weapon, searching for any weakness. Time was running out. The weapon's energy pulsed with strength that threatened to overwhelm even the strongest defenses, but the humans refused to give in. They knew their only chance was to face this danger directly. A risky plan was formed. Small teams of pilots volunteered for a dangerous mission, to get close to the weapon, study it up close, and try to stop it from working. Every moment counted, and the pilots understood the risks, but their determination was stronger than fear. The human fighters launched toward the weapon, weaving through enemy fire and avoiding traps. Their goal was clear: find the weapon's weakness and strike fast. The battle became intense, with every second filled with danger. The pilots moved with precision, using teamwork and courage. Meanwhile, on Earth, people waited in silence, hoping their heroes would succeed. The fate of the planet rested on this desperate mission. Could the humans disable the weapon before it was too late? Would their bravery be enough to protect Earth? The answers lay in the heart of the enemy's strongest power, and the outcome would change the future forever. High above the Earth, the sky shimmered with light as the final mission began. The human pilots, their ships small against the size of the alien weapon, pushed forward into danger. The alien fleet tried to block them, but it was already too late. The humans had found a way through. Every move was precise. Every second mattered. This was not just a mission, it was Earth's last chance. The alien weapon, surrounded by powerful shields, started to glow brighter. The countdown to its activation had begun. If it reached full power, Earth's defenses might not hold. The world below watched in fear, while the pilots above stayed calm. They had trained for this moment, and they carried the hopes of millions with them. The lead pilot, calm and focused, guided the others through narrow paths between energy waves and enemy ships. Their mission was not to fight, but to outthink, to reach the weapon's core and disable it. As they flew closer, the ship's scanners found something strange, a flaw in the energy pattern. It was small but real, a weak point. The plan changed instantly. The pilots split into two teams, one to draw attention, the other to reach the weak spot. They moved as one, trusting each other completely. The alien ships noticed too late. The distraction worked. The second team flew through, straight toward the center. Back on Earth, people held their breath. The energy levels of the weapon began to drop. Something was happening. The pilots had done it. They had found the way to stop it. Suddenly, the alien weapon began to shut down, its glow fading. The massive device lost power, and panic spread across the alien fleet. Without their strongest tool, their unity broke. Ships scattered, unsure of what to do. In the silence that followed, one thing became clear. Earth had survived the impossible. But even now, no one knew what the aliens might try next. The battle had shifted, and Earth had taken control. Above, the quiet blue curve of Earth, the battlefield had fallen still. The alien weapon, once glowing with unstoppable energy, now floated powerless in orbit. Their fleet, broken and scattered, drifted in confusion. For the first time in their long history of conquest, they had met a force that didn't just survive, but stood tall against all odds. On Earth, cheers echoed through cities and homes. The mission had succeeded. The pilots returned safely, greeted as heroes not just by their nations but by the whole planet. The fear that had held the world in silence was gone, replaced by something far stronger: unity. People who had never spoken before were now sharing the same story, of resistance, of courage, of survival. Leaders met not to plan defenses but to prepare for peace and progress. Scientists began to study the alien technology left behind, hoping to understand it, perhaps even use it to protect Earth from future threats. Children looked up at the stars no longer with fear, but with wonder. But far beyond the edge of Earth's system, something stirred. A faint signal pulsed across the dark, reaching ears not yet known to humanity. The message was simple, but chilling. Earth resisted. Somewhere in the vast galaxy, eyes opened. The defeat of the fleet had not gone unnoticed. Earth had won this battle, but the universe had taken notice. The people of Earth had proven something powerful, not just strength, but spirit. And though peace had returned for now, a quiet understanding settled over the planet. The next chapter was waiting among the stars, and when it came, humanity would be ready.